Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add Google Analytics to Squarespace. So this is my site that I am developing on Squarespace. So I want to add Google Analytics to that. So first you need to open Google Analytics and click on Get Started Today. So click on that and now it is start. So you need to wait. Okay, and click on here, next and click on got it. Okay, click on get tagging instructions. So this is my site and this is my ID, so you simply need to copy that. Okay, then you need to go back and open Squarespace and click on this settings icon and click on developer tools, and then here you can see external API key, and here you can see Google Analytics. So add that here and click on save. So this is the process that you need to follow to add Google Analytics to Squarespace. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.